Stop using AI. Start running it. There's a massive difference between those two things, and if you don't understand it yet, you're about to fall behind. Because right now, while you're using AI tools manually, logging in every day, writing prompts, generating content, copying, pasting, scheduling, publishing, other people are running AI systems automatically. And they're producing 10x more content than you in 1/10 the time, while doing zero manual work. That's not an exaggeration. That's the shift happening right now. Let me ask you something. How many hours have you spent this week sitting in front of ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, writing prompts, waiting for responses, editing outputs, copying text, pasting into documents, then doing it again and again and again every single day? You're exhausted. I know you are. Because even though AI is supposed to make your life easier, you're still doing all the work. You're the one logging in, you're the one writing prompts, you're the one managing content, you're the one scheduling, you're the one publishing. AI is helping you work faster, but you're still working. And here's the brutal truth. If you stop working, the output stops completely. No prompts from you, no content created. No work, no results. That's not automation, that's just faster manual labor. But something's changing. Smart marketers, creators, and business owners are realizing AI tools are already outdated. The future isn't about using AI, it's about running AI. And the difference is massive. Using AI means you work, AI helps. You have to be there, you have to give input, you have to manage everything. Running AI means AI works, you get results. You set it once, AI runs automatically, content gets created, scheduled, and published without you. That's the shift, from AI assistance to AI automation. But here's why most people are still stuck in manual mode. Every AI tool on the market today is designed for interaction, not automation. ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, even Claude. They're all assistants, not systems, which means you have to log in every day. You have to write prompts manually. You have to generate content piece by piece. You have to copy and paste outputs. You have to schedule everything yourself. You have to publish manually, and you have to repeat this process every single day. That's not automation. That defeats the entire purpose. You wanted AI to remove work from your plate, but you're still carrying all the weight. So the real question is, which AI tool should I use? The real question is, what if AI didn't just help me work, what if it worked for me automatically? What if you could set up your content workflow once, schedule everything weeks or months in advance, let AI create, schedule, and publish automatically, run 24/7 without you, wake up to completed work every day? That's what a system does, and that's exactly what ClaudPilot AI is. ClaudPilot AI is the first platform that runs Claude Opus 4.7, Anthropic's most powerful AI model, on complete autopilot. Not as an assistant, as a system. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Set up your autopilot. Once. You choose what you want to create. Blog posts, emails, ad copy, social content, whatever you need. You set your topics, your tone, your workflow. Takes 5 to 10 minutes. You configure everything once. Step 2. Schedule with precision. ClaudPilot has a built-in calendar system. You select the exact date and time for each piece of content. Plan days ahead, weeks ahead, months ahead. Set it once and you're done. Step 3. Activate and let it run. You turn on autopilot mode, and ClaudPilot takes over completely. It creates the content using Claude Opus 4.7, it schedules everything according to your calendar, it publishes and delivers automatically, runs 24/7 in the background without you. That's it. No daily login, no repeated prompts, no manual work. You set it once, it runs forever. Let me show you the difference in real terms. Using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude manually. Monday, you log in, write 10 prompts, generate 10 pieces of content, copy and paste, schedule manually. Tuesday, you log in again, write 10 more prompts, generate 10 more pieces, copy and paste, schedule. Wednesday, same thing. Thursday, same thing. Friday, same thing. Time invested, 5 to 10 hours per week. Output, 50 pieces of content. Using ClaudPilot AI, Monday, you set up your workflow once, 10 minutes, schedule 50 pieces for the entire week, activate Autopilot. Tuesday, ClaudPilot creates and publishes automatically. Wednesday, ClaudPilot creates and publishes automatically. Thursday, ClaudPilot creates and publishes automatically. Friday, ClaudPilot creates and publishes automatically. Time invested, 10 minutes on Monday. Output, 50 pieces of content. Same output, 1/30th of the time, 0 daily work. But here's where it gets really powerful. ClaudPilot runs 24/7, even when you're sleeping, which means while you're having dinner, ClaudPilot is creating content. While you're watching a movie, ClaudPilot is scheduling posts. While you're sleeping, ClaudPilot is publishing. You wake up every morning to completed work, content created, posts scheduled, everything delivered. You didn't lift a finger, but the work got done. That's what a system does. Now here's the part that's going to sound ridiculous. ClaudPilot AI should cost $597 per month. That's what enterprise automation tools charge for this level of AI execution. 24/7 automated content creation, bulk generation, smart scheduling, auto-publishing, all powered by Claude Opus 4.7. $597 per month would be the normal price, but today you're getting lifetime access for a one-time payment of $14.95. Not $597 per month, not $14.95 per month. $14.95 once, and you have access forever. No monthly fees, no limitations, no recurring charges. Pay once, run unlimited automated workflows forever. Get ClaudPilot AI today for $14.95. Set up your first Autopilot workflow. Schedule your content for the next week or month. Activate it and watch ClaudPilot create, schedule, and publish automatically. Wake up tomorrow to completed work you didn't have to do. If you don't see exactly how this eliminates manual AI work and gives you true automation, email us within 30 days. Full $14.95 refund, no questions. Right now, you're at a fork in the road. Path 1, keep using AI tools manually. Log in every day, write prompts, generate content piece by piece, copy, paste, schedule manually, publish manually, spend 5 to 10 hours per week on AI work, stay exhausted. Path 2, start running AI systems automatically. Set up ClaudPilot once, schedule everything in advance, activate Autopilot, and let AI create, schedule, and publish 24/7 without you. Spend 10 minutes on Monday. Get the same output with 0 daily work. One keeps you trapped in manual labor, the other gives you true automation. Remember what I said at the beginning. Stop using AI, start running it. That's not just a clever phrase, that's the future. The shift from AI tools to AI systems is happening right now, and the people who understand this shift are the ones who will dominate, because they're not working harder, they're automating smarter. ClaudPilot AI is that automation. Claude Opus 4.7 on full autopilot, creating, scheduling, publishing, 24/7, without you, for $14.95 one time. Click the button below. Get ClaudPilot AI and stop using AI. Start running it. I'll see you on the inside.